A final use case, and that is how can AI help us to create and assemble final email assets in HTML?
I mentioned earlier that we were focusing on Content Assist, which is a button black up to the left there, where we search for content, we ideated, but now we're going into content authoring. And this is where you spend a lot of time. But with the help of Arcane and a simple design system, what we can do is select the design system that I like, and I mean the template, the layout, for example. I could even make it specific to what persona types I have for that market, and I can say whether it's a HCP or a patient email. It immediately pulls up what that design template looks like as a standard. But this is editable. This is just a recommendation to you. So if you say, yeah, I like that layout, but I'd like to edit it, we can do that. Now over to the right, what Arcane is doing, it's summarising all the information I've put together for this campaign. So it's specific to this campaign. You can set collections and set them with send them to different countries, so they're accessing the information that's relevant for this campaign. Once it's summarised, it's also easy to understand what I can make an email about. But here's the design template, and I'm starting to edit the template, saying, yeah, I'm not really sure about that layout. I'd like to move this down a bit, or should I move it up? But also, if you've already got your copy ready, then this is a huge leap forward. I can drop it straight into it. It's ready to go. It'll be HTML, it'll be downloaded, pushed back to Vault, and you can send it for approval straight away. So here you can see it's a very easy editing function, or I can delete it straight away. But here's a content block, which has got an image section, and I'd like to create a patient profile about an older lady with type 2 diabetes. So if I'd like to use Arcane to ideate, and I don't want to use my own copy, yes, you can do that here as well. And as you can see, this is live time. It's actually presenting all of that information to you based upon your approved information. And you think, this is fantastic. I'm not really sure about the image. I'd like to replace that, please. So any image that you have approved in your Vault, it will be accessible to you as well. And it's just simply a matter of actually filtering through and selecting what do I choose. We will, in the next 3 months, be able to generate AI images as well. There's pros and cons for that, but it's an offering that you can have. So here, we've selected the image we like, and then we just progressively go down the content blocks, and we can complete our email. You can see here you've got the ability to edit the text, as I said earlier, move the content blocks up and down. So within seconds, we've created now a full email. We can preview it, scroll up, scroll down, and just think this is exactly what I was after. And we've done that all within 3 minutes that we've been in content authoring.